my fellow Zeekers. Today we're going to review a store called Ray on Shine that makes almost $2 million in monthly revenue. Yes, you heard that right. Almost $2 million in revenue in just 30 days. But wait, that's not all. This store is earning this massive revenue through dropshipping from AliExpress. And there's even more. Some of the products sold in this store have over 80% profit margin. And here's a preview of what we'll dive into as we analyze this store from A to Z. This product is sold for $219 and it has sold 21 times in the last 30 days. And take a look at the price from the same item on AliExpress. Yes, you are seeing that right. There's nothing wrong with your screen. The same item, even using the exact images as the dropshipping store we reviewed, costs only $55 and $5.91 for shipping. This means that from this one item alone, this store has made approximately $3,180 in profit before ad and operational costs. And this is just one product out of the other 790 listed in the store. So yes, this dropshipping store is doing many things right, and I'm here to analyze its success so you can build a profitable store like this yourself, or take the best practices from this store and implement them in your own dropshipping business. So before we analyze this store's process, let's first understand what $1,813,629 in monthly revenue means. By simple calculation, $1,813,629 in monthly revenue equals to more than $450,000 per week. So this means that this store generates $64,772 in revenue every day. Now, this store operates with an average profit margin of 65%. Meaning it makes around $1.1 million in profit per month before ad and operational costs. This means the store earns approximately $36,700 in profit every day before ad and operational expenses. And did I mention that all of the products in this store are dropshipped items from AliExpress? So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the store to get a better understanding of it. So we can see that this is a niche store focusing on lamps, ranging from living room lamps to hallway lamps. If you have a specific lamp in mind, after entering this store, you have a high chance of finding what you are looking for. And as you can see, this store is well built and the design looks great. I mean, at first glance, I would say that this doesn't look like a typical drop shipping store, mainly because the product images appear professionally taken. Now, I can also see that the store, especially the homepage, emphasizes the luxury of its products. Now, every image on the homepage has been carefully chosen to ensure that luxury is the first impression you get when entering the store, and that makes sense as the store sources its products at a low cost from AliExpress, and due to luxury branding is able to sell some items for more than 10 times the original price. So, as you can understand, there's a reason why this store emphasizes luxury both in the store itself and the products it sells. And looking at this a little better, even the logo looks like one of the luxury brands and was definitely made by a professional designer, in my opinion. You can tell from the clean lines and rounded shapes that form the store's name. Now, one of the best aspects of this store is its user-friendly navigation menu. Let me share why having an easy to navigate menu like this is so important for a store like this. Now, this store lists almost 800 items. And when I click on shop, I can instantly see all of the types of lamps available in this store. Additionally, when I go ahead and click on all collections, I notice a sidebar on the right that it kind of resembles Amazon. It's offering extra help to find the lamp that I need. Also, to show potential customers that this store is reliable, under the About Us section, you can see the real customer reviews left for the store. To further boost credibility, under the Contact Us section, and by scrolling all the way down, the store has included valuable information that helps customers feel secure when paying large sums of money. This includes company's registered address, an email address, and even a phone number. Lastly, let's go ahead and take a look at the product pages of this store. Now I can see the products are offered with different electrical plug options, allowing the store to sell worldwide. Now the product images feature a clean white background and also show the product in the real life setting, giving customers a sense of how the product will look in use. In terms of description, the store has one of the best setups I've seen recently. And as you know, a video is worth 1,000 words, and this store definitely implements that. Most of the products have videos that explain the features and demonstrate them in use, including videos on how to assemble the products, as you can see here. Additionally, alongside the regular description, the store provides illustrations of the product measurements when open and closed, and even attaches a PDF for specifications and how to install. So all of the instructions will be there. While this may seem like a lot of work and effort, this can significantly increase the conversion rate and reduce product returns in the long run. Okay, Zeekers, if you found this video useful so far, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to our channel, where we provide you with the best tricks and tips to boost your e-commerce business. And if you want to start your Shopify store today, you can do it for only $1 for the first month by using the link below. Now that we understand what this store does, let's dive in and uncover some hidden data that Shopify doesn't cover about this store. And to do that, all I have to do is copy this store's URL, which is rayonshine.com, and reveal some hidden information. In addition to the store's monthly revenue and sales figures, I can see the total number of products listed, which is 790. Now, this high number is common for dropshipping stores, as they don't need to hold physical inventory. Now, once the product is sold, they can go to AliExpress, order the product for the buyer with the buyer's address, and keep the difference as profit. Now, every independent store needs to generate traffic, and this can be done mainly in two ways. You have organically or through paid methods. Now, the great part is that I can see how this store generated its targeted audience, which helped it generate almost $2 million in revenue. Now, for paid ads, Zeke identifies that this store is using meta ads. So by clicking on it, I can see that there is only 2 active ads, and this seems low considering the store's revenue. But due to further investigation, I will go ahead and click on the store apps to see what's going on. And in just a second, I can see that this store is targeting its audience through email marketing by using this app automizzelli email marketing, SMS. This is a great way to communicate with an audience that has already interacted with the store. They can send special promotions, coupons, and even announce a new collection. This free way of generating traffic can be highly beneficial for a store. Now, in addition to that, I can see that the store is using paid ads through Google. Now, this indicates to me that this is a store that is focusing its paid marketing efforts not on Meta ads, but on Google ads. If you are considering starting a store like this one, this insight can be beneficial as it can save you a lot of time on testing what works and what doesn't. You can adapt the best practices from this store and primarily use Google Ads to generate targeted traffic. Also, I can see in the store creation date that this store is relatively new. It took only 3 years to reach this level of success. And that's another reason why I say that by analyzing this store, we can definitely learn a lot. Now, to understand how this store is bringing traffic from social media organically, I see that here in Zeek Analytics, identified 5 social media channels that belong to this store. Now, after reviewing all of them, I noticed something incredible. You might think that this store has a huge presence on Instagram or Meta, but after examining all of the social media channels, I identified the platform that might be the main source of generating significant traffic to the store. And this is using Pinterest. For those of you who aren't familiar with Pinterest, it is a visual discovery platform that allows users to find and save ideas on various topics such as home decor, fashion, recipes, and DIY projects. Users can create virtual boards to organize their favorite images, known as pins, and explore content shared by others, making it a popular tool for inspiration and planning. And if you think about it, it makes sense that this would be a social media channel that generates a lot of interest in home decor. Users can view the pins, save them for later, or click on them to check out the product sales page. And look at that, almost 2 million monthly views for the pins of this store. Even if this store were able to convert just 1% of those views into paying customers, we're talking about 20,000 buyers who purchased products. That's amazing, don't you think? And here's a tip from me. If you have a store in the home decor, fashion, or DIY niche, using Pinterest can be powerful and help generate a well-targeted audience for your store. Additionally, it's super easy these days to create pins that showcase the product you are selling. You can easily do this using Canva for free and even use templates specifically designed for Pinterest pins. Now, let's say you decided to create a store just like this one, or you want to sell this store's best-selling items. Because not all 790 items in this store are selling well. And it's better for you to focus on the best-selling items only. And for that, I will actually go ahead and choose this item from Zeek. Now, the Zeek sales tracker shows me that this item sold 20 times in the past 30 days for $209, generating $4,180 in revenue for this store. Now, if I want to check if this product is available on AliExpress, all I have to do is simply click on this AliExpress icon and look at that. There are so many options available here for the same or similar item, but let's go ahead and go with this one. It's obvious that this is the same item and it's sold for almost 3 times cheaper than the price in the store we reviewed. It's sold for only
$63.54, including free shipping.
So overall,
The same item costs $63.54.
on AliExpress, while the store sells this same exact item for $209. So after Shopify fees, the profit from this item
Is $139.
by selling it 20 times, the store earned
$2,781.
in profit before ads and operational costs. And again, this is only one product of the many listed in the store. So before we continue and reveal more hidden insights from this store, if you found this video useful for your e-commerce business, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know in the comments below if you'd like us to create more videos like this one. And if you want to give Zeek a try and see how you can easily boost your e-commerce business, you can subscribe for only $1 for the first week. Now, after we've revealed hidden data from this store, I want to check the traffic this store gets so I can identify more strategic methods this store uses to generate high monthly revenue. For this, I'm going to go back to the store and open the similar web extension, which is available for free. From here, I'm going to scroll down to the geography section, which will help me identify the countries that visit this store. This information is strategic for me in case I want to start paid ads for a store like this or similar to this one. In this case, I can see
The top 4 countries
visiting this store, and those are the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and India. This can give me a huge boost in my paid ads, and I won't need to target the whole world. Instead, I can start narrowing down to the countries that show proven interest in the products being sold in this store. This will save me a lot of time and money when testing ad targeting. So now that we have a great understanding of the store's operations, the last thing we want to know is what Shopify theme this store is using. This Shopify theme has proven to deliver amazing sales results for the store, and you will be surprised at how much effect the theme can have on your store, especially if you have many items listed. Choosing a user-friendly theme that showcases the products well and gives buyers a feeling of comfort in your store is priceless. Now, to find out, I will use a free tool from Zeek Analytics called the Shopify Theme Detector. This tool will provide the name of the theme that this store is using. So what I will do is copy the store's URL and then paste it in the search bar. Okay, so I can see that the theme of this store is called Warehouse. So now let me show you how to get this theme. It's pretty simple. You're just going to jump into Google and do a search for Warehouse Shopify theme and look for non-sponsored results. So I found this Warehouse Shopify theme and it's called Metal Style. This is the theme that rayonshine.com is using, and in this case, it is a paid theme. Now, if you want to create a store like this or similar to it, you can use the same user-friendly theme that this store uses. So there you have it, Zeekers. We analyzed this store and revealed many valuable insights. By having a store that bases its decisions on solid data, you can to achieve high sale numbers like rayonshine.com. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.